Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have permissions and a target page. Now begin. Open the Sharepoint site in Modern View and go to the exact page or site navigation area where the link should live. Choose the link type up front, a quick links web part for pages, the left site navigation for global links, or a library/list link to point to content. Once decided, click Edit on the page or Settings, change the look navigation to enter the editing mode, and prepare to add your first link. With editing enabled, add your chosen component. For quick links, click plus, add a link, paste the URL, and enter a clear display name. For navigation, choose new link and paste the address. Make deliberate choices about opening behavior, new tab for external content, same tab for internal pages, and set the icon or image to improve discoverability. Once configured, use the reorder handles to place the link where users expect it, and preview the page to verify label, destination, and visual appearance before saving. After adding the link, save or publish the page and immediately test the link as a typical user. Open it in another browser or incognito to confirm behavior. This helps catch caching or permission issues. If the link breaks, verify the URL spelling, ensure the target resource allows access, and consider whether you used a relative versus absolute path incorrectly. Clear your browser cache and revisit permissions. Finally, use site content site pages version history to revert mistakes or update managed navigation in site settings if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.